What's going on, Unleashed CEOs? Happy Friday to you all. Coming at you guys here with a very quick video to close out the week. This is what I like to call a new theme, 5-Minute Friday. So I'm going to be taking 5 minutes or less here to distill down one topic that I think will be a benefit to you guys. I'm going to be testing doing this going forward in this group to see if it's something that you guys enjoy, get value from, and take away some strong takeaways from that can support you in growing your business. So today's 5-minute topic came from a question that I got asked recently around business as a whole, really. And the question came from the lens of, Blake, I'm putting out content, I'm providing value to my audience, but I'm not quite making the sales that I want. Will the biggest difference maker for me be dialing in my content marketing positioning? Like, is positioning and marketing and content the key to me achieving success as a creator online? And although those pieces are very important, I want to challenge these thoughts today and explain to you guys why. If we look at positioning, marketing, beneath that content creation, all of these things, these are all pieces that branch off from one core big picture, and that is business. So I want to challenge you guys to look at the big picture behind this and the fact that as we look at a business is simply us providing a service to another party. And within that business, the only way for us to provide services itself is actual sales. Making sales in that business so we can exchange that value and provide that service at a high level to that party that invested into us. The most challenging thing for most, especially those that are below 5K a month, is getting past that selling point, getting to the point where they can actually start confidently offering their offer, inviting people to their offer, making sales happen. And that can be difficult at first because we feel like we're being pushy, being sleazy, being that salesman and asking for money for people, and it doesn't feel right at first. But I want to challenge you guys to think of it in a different perspective to end this week and going into the new week going forward. If you think about it, a sale is simply you extending an invitation for the opportunity to be of service to somebody else. That's all it is. You extend the invitation for the opportunity for you to be of service to that person. That's all it is when we look down to the core of it. It's not you taking money from them. It's not you being pushy or being salesy. It's simply asking for the opportunity to be of service to them. And when we can shift our mindset to looking at sales in that way, we can step into truly what our business is all about. And that's providing a high level, high quality service to the other party to actually benefit them, their business, their life, whatever you do to support them in what you offer itself. And that one single shift can lead to completely new trajectory in the way that you look at sales and the way you look at your business as a whole. Because then we can detach from the fact that we're being pushy, we're being salesy, and really step into the fact that we are providing a genuine service. And beneath that, all that really comes down to is belief in the value that we provide and belief in the value that we offer as a whole. And it doesn't have to be belief in a way where we have to be ego-driven, puffing our chest, thinking we're the best out there and that people should buy from us because we're the best. That's not the way to do it. And I'll be the first to say here right now, if I were that way within my business, I wouldn't be where I am today and I wouldn't be a good leader to you guys. Instead, having confidence and belief in what you're doing and the value they provide is, number one, showing up and showing up consistently. Number two, it's getting to the point where you see yourself showing up consistently. You see yourself putting out content to provide value to your audience and to show up for them. And really humbling yourself to realize that this is what you're building this for, is to have an impact on others' lives and to really help benefit them and that other party itself. So when we can have that belief in our value and that we provide, and when we can humble ourselves to be able to actually extend that opportunity or that invitation to support that other person and their business and their life, it now can completely shift in terms of the mindset that we have towards business, towards sales, and towards growing our business as a whole. So I want to challenge you guys here today as we wrap up, closing out the end of this 5-Minute Friday, to remind yourself of this within your sales process. You're not selling. You don't have to be the pushy salesy guy. You don't have to be the guy that puffs his chest and says, I'm the best out there. You just simply have to have belief in the value that you provide, and you have to be willing to extend that opportunity and extend that invitation to support that person that you're speaking with and provide that service to them to support them in creating better outcomes in their life and in their business. So that's a wrap for today. That's my message for today. For those of you that got value from this 5-Minute Friday, drop a hashtag value below. And if you want to see more of these going forward, drop a hashtag 5-Minute Friday below and let me know. With that said, I'm going to close out for today. Hope you all have a great weekend, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.